Hello Mango, welcome back to day 4 of our 30-day Pilates challenge. I'm Hannah and today we will focus on balanced being. Balance is not just a physical skill, it's a state of being, a harmony between our mind, body and spirit. In today's session, we will explore exercises that challenge and enhance our physical balance while also inviting a sense of mental and emotional equilibrium. As we move through each pose, I encourage you to find steadiness, not just in your body, but also in your thoughts and emotions. Embrace the gentle sway, the slight adjustments, and the focus required in today's routines. Each movement is an opportunity to discover your center, to find calm within the challenge, and to cultivate a balanced approach to life's ups and downs. Let's step onto our mat with an open heart, ready to find your balance. Let's begin.
Hey love, you got your heart on your sleeve, but the shirt on your back's a bit small. Hey you, yeah, your colors are changing, the world ain't half bad after all.
Sit comfortably on your mat, hands on the knees, relax your shoulders, and sit tall, open the chest. Take a deep inhalation through the nose, and exhale deeply through your mouth. Now open your arm to the side, inhale and lean on one side to the side bending, and exhale, come back to the opposite side, and exhale back to the center. Inhale, and exhale to the other side, and come all the way back, and 3 more each side. Two. And last one. And back to the center and bring your hands down. Alright, shake your heads a little bit, shake your hips a little bit, and we are going to grab the weight. Sit along the mat. Keep your feet together and bring your hands to the front. Round the spine, pull the belly button in, and allow yourself to lie all the way down on your mat. Bend the knees into the chest, heels together, toes apart, and inhale, lengthen your arms, curl your chest off the mat and send your legs to 45 degrees. Start to pump your arms, inhale 2, 3, 4, 5, exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale, and exhale, and 7 more, and exhale, and 6, and 5, go up even higher, 4, and 3, and 2, and last one, and bend the knees all the way in, head down, and bring your head from left to right. Feel your whole body already warmed up just after the 100. Awesome. Come back to the center, and now inhale, lengthen your legs. Bring your arms all the way up to the ceiling. Pull the belly button in. Inhale. And exhale. Roll all the way up to sitting position. Round the spine. Pull the belly button in. And come back slowly with your own breath. Hands over your head. And exhale. Round the spine to round all the way up. And come all the way back. And roll down each vertebra at a time again. And inhale, arms up. Exhale, round the spine. If you are a beginner, you can just set the weight aside and you can bend the knees, slide your hands around the waist to go up and down. The thigh, keep the C cup on your spine the whole time. Come all the way up. Or using the weight, heels together, toes apart, round the spine, hands over your head. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, roll up to sitting. and come back to the center and hands down on the mat. Awesome. And round the spine to go all the way down to lie down. Awesome. Good. So inhale, lengthen your legs up to the ceiling and arms down on your mat. Now slowly pull the belly button in, rotate the knees to the one side. Inhale, bring your right leg down and to the side and come back to the top and down, right and come back. To make it easier, you can bend the knees or lengthen your left leg down on the mat. Just do the single leg circle. Or more challenging, get back to both legs up for the start. And reverse on the same leg. Pull the belly button in. Try to lengthen both legs and press your opposite hips down. Inhale halfway, exhale halfway. And now bend your right knee in. Just to give a little stretch. And lengthen up to the ceiling again. And we're going to go to the opposite leg. So again, rotate the knee to the side. Bring your left leg down, around and up. Down, around and up. Good. And down, around and up. Lengthen both legs all the way to the ceiling. And down, around and up. And reverse. Around, down and up. And around, down and up. 3. Use your abs to stabilize your torso. And last one. And bend the knees down. Good. Hug your left knee in. Lengthen your right leg. And switch to the opposite side. Give a little stretch on both legs. Awesome. And now both legs in. Your hand just under the thigh to rock all the way up to sitting position. Set the weight aside. Rolling like a ball. Hands under the thighs, heels together, toes apart. Lift your legs off the mat, your feet off the mat. Round the spine to C-curve, pull the belly button in. Lift the elbows high. Now inhale, roll all the way down to shoulders and rock up. So only go to the shoulders and chin to chest the whole time. Rock down and rock up. And rock down and rock up. And 6 more. Inhale down. Keep your C-curve on the spine. 5 and 4, 3 and 2. And last one, lift the hips and come back and bring your feet all the way down. Take a deep inhalation through the nose and exhale deeply through your mouth. Awesome. Lengthen your legs. Sit to the middle of your mat again, heels together, toes apart. Lengthen your arms to the front, roll all the way down to lie down on your mat. Bend the elbows, bend the knees into the chest. Good. And now inhale, curl your chest off the mat. Lengthen your legs to the side and lengthen your left leg to 45-degree, arms along the body. Good. Inhale, reach higher and switch. And reach and switch and reach further to the other side and reach and reach. Good. Couple more times with your own breath. Pull the belly button in. Curl up higher, but only to the shoulder blades. Abs all the way in. And 5 to the left and 4. Reach even further. Bend the knee further if you can. 3 and 2. Last one. And bend the knees all the way down. Hands down, elbows down on the mat. Take a deep breath. Inhale deeply and exhale deeply. Crisscross. So curl your chest up again. Lengthen your left leg and bring your arms up to the ceiling. Inhale, twist to the right and come all the way back. Twist to the left and reach and twist to the opposite side and twist to the left, to the right, and to the left again, and to the right, and couple more times to the other side, and 3, reach higher, 2, Feel free to use your hands to support your head if you need to. And last one. And bring your hands down. Set the weight on one side. Bring your feet down. Bring your head from left to right. Hold it here for a couple seconds and take a deep breath. And exhale deeply. And rotate your head to the right. Take a deep breath. And exhale deeply. And one more deep breath. And exhale deeply. Awesome. And now hands under the thigh to rock up to sitting position. Lengthen your legs. Heels together, toes apart. Grab the weights again. Arms to the front. And you can open your legs to the side of your mat in this position and flex your toes. If it's easier for you, shoulders down, round the spine to C curve. Pull the belly button in, move forward, and come all the way back. And shoulders down. Good. And round the spine, chin your chest. Round and move forward. Abs all the way towards the back. Still. Come all the way back to the center. Awesome. Round the spine and move forward. Come all the way back. And 3 more. Abs all the way in, shoulders far away from the ears. Bring the lats down. Beautiful. 2. Abs in, and last one. And bring your hands all the way down on the mat. Take a deep breath, inhale deeply through your nose. And exhale deeply through your mouth. Awesome. Now set the weight on one side, bend the knees in and catch your ankles with your hands. Open leg rocker. Round the spine, pull the belly button in. Now inhale, rock down to the shoulders. And exhale, rock up to sitting position. Open your chest. Abs all the way in, use the abs. And then round the spine again, rock down only to the shoulder. And rock up to sitting, use the abs. That's beautiful. Come back, round the spine, rock down. And rock up. And open your chest. And rock down again. And rock up. And open the chest. And stay balanced here. And last one, round. Rock down. And rock all the way up. Open the chest. And open your legs to the side. Open your arms. Flex the ankle for the saw. So in this movement, you can grab the weights again. Open your arms. Palms facing down. Now rotate the torso to one side. Round the spine. And move forward to your opposite foot. And come all the way back. Untwist. Twist to the left. Round the spine. Move forward. And come all the way back. Untwist. Twist to the right. Round and reach. Come back. And untwist. Twist to the left. Round and reach. And come back. And untwist. And 3 more. Open your upper chest. Lift your back arm higher. And to the opposite side. And 2. To the other side. And last one, round and reach. And back. And reach to the opposite side. And come back and untwist. And bring your hands down. Set the weight on one side. And you can rotate the shoulders fully to 4 directions. And then reverse here. Lie all the way down on your mat. Grab your weights. Lengthen your arms up to the ceiling. Send your legs to 45 degrees and stay there. Pull the belly button in. Inhale, hands over your head. And exhale. Use your abs to sit up and come to teaser. Good. Shoulders down, open your chest, and around your spine. Go each vertebra at a time down without lowering your legs. And bend the knees in. That is teaser 1. So we're going to try to do teaser 1 again for 2 more times without bending the knees in. And feel free to set the weight aside if you want to make it more challenging. So inhale,
arms up, send your legs to 45 degrees, hands over your head, and exhale, use your up to go all the way up to teaser. Open your chest and then roll down each vertebra at a time down on the mat. One more time, inhale, and exhale, use your up to go all the way up to teaser. Open your chest and roll all the way down on your mat and bend the knees in. Awesome. Take a deep breath, inhale deeply through your nose and exhale deeply through your mouth. And rock to sit up. Heels together, toes apart. Flex the ankle, arms to the side, and feel free to use your weight in this movement as well. Bend the knees if it's easier for you to open your spine and lengthen the spine. Inhale, twist to the right. Come all the way back. Twist to the left, 1, 2. Come all the way back. Twist to the right, twist, twist. Come all the way back. Twist to the left, 1, 2. And back to the center. Keep your spine lengthening so you feel your obliques are twisting. And feel free to lengthen your legs if you can, maintaining the lengthening of the spine. Awesome. Good. Make sure your heels pressing down, your sitting bones set pressing down, so all your torso is twisting. Beautiful. Come back, and 3 more. To the left, and 2 more. To the left, 1, 2. Come back, and last one, 1, 2. Come back, and to the right, and bring your hands down. Awesome. Take a deep breath, inhale deeply, and exhale deeply. All right. Now I want you to bend the knees in. Take a deep breath, gently shake your hips. And now go to the front of your mat, and we are going to do seal. So open your knees, hug your ankles from inside out, lift your feet off the mat, heels together, toes apart. Now clap, clap, clap with your feet 3 times. Roll the spine to the shoulders, rock down and rock up. Clap, 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 rock down to the shoulders again. And rock up, rock down, and rock up, clap, clap, clap. And rock down, 1, 2, 3, rock up, 1, 2, 3, rock down. Hold it there, 1, 2, 3, rock up, 1, 2, 3, and 5 more. And rock up, and down, and up. 3, and up, and 2, and up, and last one, and up, and bring your feet all the way down. Awesome. And that's the workout today. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.